Welcome to the Kids Learning. In this video, we will learn water animals. So, let's start. Crab, crab, clam, clam, dolphin, dolphin, fish, fish, jellyfish, jellyfish, lobster, lobster, manta ray, manta ray, octopus, octopus, prawn, prawn, seal, seal, sea urchin, sea urchin, seahorse, seahorse, shark, shark, squid, squid, starfish, starfish, turtle, turtle, walrus, walrus, whale, whale. Thank you for watching Water Animals with Kids Learning. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Kids Learning channel. Also press the bell icon for next video notification. Thank you.